In this experiment, we will learn to make ghost jelly marbles. Take a glass bowl. Put some jelly marbles in the bowl. Now add water to the jelly marbles. The jelly marbles become invisible. Take a spoon and try and take the jelly marbles out. Add some atomic glow to the bowl. Take ultraviolet light. You'll see the jelly marbles glowing in the dark. In this experiment, we learned that the water-filled jelly marbles become invisible due to having an identical index of refraction with the water in the bowl.